Vice President Constantino Chiwenga has ignited fresh political tremors after delivering a blistering call for ethical leadership and clean governance. Zidabwera mashoko obuda nyuko panguva ino tiona kuti VP Constantino Chiwenga wotara mashoko achiti, who are we really serving? Chiwenga takes veiled swipe at ZANU-PF elite. Zidabwera mashoko obuda panguva ino VP Constantino Chiwenga vachiposa this question, vachibvunza kuti who are we really serving? Panguva ino tiri kuita chaizvo here? Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibira munopana patuna Chiwenga achibvunza pamusoro pe-ethical leadership and clean governance. Panguva inoenderera achiti, urging ZANU-PF leaders to reflect on the legacy they were leaving behind. Speaking as acting president, while President Emmerson Mnangagwa is on annual leave, Chiwenga's remarks come amid an intensifying succession battle within the ruling party. Addressing the mourners at Heroes Acre during the burial of retired Brigadier General Matthias Tzirai Ngarawa, Chiwenga condemned a system that allows a powerful few to accumulate vast wealth while millions of Zimbabweans sink deeper into poverty. His words were widely seen as a thinly veiled attack on the current political order. Chiwenga reminded party elites that the liberation struggle was never fought to enrich individuals through corruption, nepotism, or tribal favoritism. Instead, he challenged leaders to choose between a legacy of sacrifice, patriotic service, and national purpose, or one defined by plunder and self-enrichment. As the tension simmer within ZANU-PF, Chiwenga's message has set tongues wagging across the political landscape. Thomas Kwanobuda nyuko panguva ino ataura na VP Constantino Chiwenga about the burial yakaitiwa on Friday. Panguva ino chinokunzi VP Constantino Chiwenga panguva ino is now calling a spade a spade. Panguva ino inyatsobuditsa zvinhu zvese pachena vanhu vazive chokwadi. Pinda comment section medu uzofungiro enyu matodipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.